Hi guys, how are you today? As you can see, I'm wearing something comfy because today we have lots of modeling going around. So wear your comfy clothing. We're gonna make a pineapple mojito. So let's crack on and make it. What you need first, it's half a lime. I'm gonna tell you something about myself. As you can see, my t-shirt, it has an Imagine Dragons logo. I'm not sure if you're familiar with this band or not, but they are basically a Vegas band, and they had a show about a month ago in London, which I went. And obviously, if you TikTok them, YouTube them, whatever, you can see their shows are phenomenal. Like, I would totally recommend you to go, even if you don't like the songs or know the songs, you can vibe with them. And this was my second time actually attending their concert and start modeling. Basically, I went there. It was perfect. Like, I enjoyed every single song and I memorized all the songs before I attended. So, which is something I normally do. Yeah, they're my favorite band. And I wish that I can go to their show someday, maybe in their hometown. Who knows? You need like 6-7 leaves of mint. I need to stop talking, otherwise I lose the count. It's not that important. Add as many as you want. Give it a smack and then a couple more models. Add just a tad of pineapple juice because like I'm gonna use fresh chunks of pineapple in. But I want some juice as well. That will do, I think. Give a couple more presses. While I cut my pineapple chunks, I'll talk about the concert. So we went there. This time it was in London because previously they didn't have a show in London specifically. It was in a town close to London. Oh my God, the other time it started pouring. You wouldn't believe, like I was soaking wet. But like, it didn't stop me enjoying the concert. And I'm sure if you go, you're gonna love it as well. Let me know in the comments if you actually know them or not. Otherwise, I'm just bragging a lot for you. And sorry for that. I bought this t-shirt from there. Actually, it was a birthday gift. Give a couple more models to this. Just gently because I don't want to crush the pineapple itself. You need to add 60 ml of rum. You can use a Malibu, just make it more tropical, but I'm just gonna go with a normal, not coconut rum. Ooh. Our mix is ready, kind of. I need to go and bring some ice. So let's grab some ice. Ooh. Which one should I pick? Probably I'm gonna go with this one. Ooh. Be stuck to each other. Let's go and add our ice in. Let me show you the back of my t-shirt. I'm obsessed. I know. I'm gonna take a seat because it's gonna take me some time to take this ice out of the mold. So it's like this small cubes. I think I need to put the whole batch in. So I first remember hearing them on the TV when I was, I think, in middle school, maybe. I don't remember exactly. Was I in middle school or high school? Maybe high school. I don't know. But like, they're famous for their song, The Radioactive. I was trying to remember the name. It's like radioactive, radioactive, ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Go and watch their videos. Yeah, the concerts maybe, because like the main singer, you will fall in love with that guy. I'm already exhausted. I hate this mold. I don't know how they designed this. Like, it's so hard to get these cubes out of the box. Good thing is this drink is for myself. Imagine I'm serving someone this cocktail like this. Like, I would be disgusted if anybody serves me like this with all hands and fingers and touchy. Ugh. You know what I should have done? I should have taken out all the ice and brought it in front of the camera in a freaking bowl or something. And then I should have easily just poured it into my glass. This is enough. I saved one small piece of pineapple. You just dice this up into small cubes. Add this in. Ooh, fancy. Your cocktail is almost ready. You just open your sparkling water and top off your glass. Wow. I mean, I'm impressed myself, but it actually looks nice, isn't it? Look, stir. Looks delish, as always. As always. Quite confident. Cheers, guys. Oh my, it's quite refreshing. Maybe serve it with a straw. Let me have a pineapple as well. It's phenomenal. Yeah, I think this teacher brought me luck because I love this mojito more than the original version. So give it a try. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We're the Tip Studio. I'm going Uno. And thank you for watching. If I didn't mention that earlier. Bye. Actually, no bye. Let's pour it in here. Seems okay. Fancy, innit? Bye.